Positioner synchronization is a technology that optimizes the relative position between the robot torch and the workpiece by synchronously controlling the welding robot and the positioner in real time. After mounting the workpiece on the positioner, the welding trajectory is established through pre-weld seam detection methods, such as touch sensing and LVS sensing. Once the robot's welding path and the positioner's trajectory are synchronized, the robot and the positioner move simultaneously during welding, maintaining a consistent torch angle, speed, and arc length. Furthermore, when combined with real-time correction using arc sensing and LVS sensing during welding, even more stable welding quality can be achieved. It delivers uniform welding quality by reducing error rates by 70 to 80% compared to manual jig fixing. HD Hyundai Robotics' positioner synchronization system boosts productivity by offering customized solutions using the company's proprietary positioners and turntables, tailored to meet specific customer requirements. It is widely applied across various processes, from welding large structures such as heavy equipment and defense components, to ultra-precision 3D parts manufacturing and complex 3D curved welding. Smart, sensing, control, and welding. HD Hyundai Robotics.